Hi there. In this video, we will see how to visit hundreds of profiles, automatically using Fiyole. To visit profiles, click on Auto Profile Visit on Fiyole menu box. If you are not in LinkedIn search page, Fiyole will prompt you to navigate there. Once you are in LinkedIn search page, filter out the contacts, whom you want to visit. For example, contacts based on location, connections or companies. After filtering the contacts, click on the Auto Profile Visit again. Select the number of profiles you want to visit, and click the Visit button. Now, Fiyole will start visiting the selected profiles. As you see, Fiyole is visiting profiles one by one for all the selected contacts.